Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have our certified pre-owned 2020 Lexus IS350 F Sport. This one I saw come up and I figured it was worth the trip down to come and take a look at it. Even the key is in this nice F Sport pouch. Personally, I've always loved these cars. Before I bought my Challenger, I took a test drive in one, and it was on the final running for my daily driver. Love the red interior. This is the spec I would have gotten, either that or a darker gray. I mean, absolutely beautiful. Ultra white is the exterior color. Let's see, does it have the interior color on here? I mean, it's red, obviously. Yeah, it doesn't even say. Alright. Yeah, total price on this one was $49,065. The F Sport pack. Awesome. 3.5 liter V6, 311 horsepower. The IS350 F Sport was always kind of rare. I never really saw them too often on dealer lots. You can see your LFA inspired display. There we go, I like that look. It's easy to navigate. That was a lot of the complaints with this car were, oh, the navigation's dated, oh, this is dated, oh, this. Never claimed to be the most up-to-date car ever, but honestly, oh, I mean, look at this headliner. It's like full Alcantara. It's probably not exactly Alcantara, but it's pretty darn close. Steering wheel. Really nice and soft. F Sport badging. And 1,500 miles, so basically brand new. That's less mileage than a lot of press cars from manufacturers have. That's my favorite part. The sound, the intake sound from the 3.5 is just amazing at upper RPMs. This is the first time I've actually gotten to drive one alone, kind of an extended drive. So really the first review of a Lexus, I do believe. And I absolutely love it. I love the interior materials too. I mean, everything is so high quality. Even this is soft touch. Who touches this? But no, Lexus made even this is all soft touch. Analog clock, all right here is all soft touch. Armrest, of course. Oh my goodness, I love this thing so much. Paddles are really nice to use. Heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats. Can you tell it's almost election time around here? Overall, I mean, the Lexus IS350 is phenomenal. I think a lot of people just can't get over the badging. People are like, oh, for that money you can get a BMW. For that money you can get a Mercedes. But honestly, you have the bulletproof reliability of Toyota. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's touch sensitive to increase the temperature. Or if you just want to go 1 degree, you just tap the top or the bottom. Oh, it's detecting traffic from the road. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.